All right, the easiest way to go to the portal is CTLS Learn. Now my computer has it saved, but ctlslearn.cobbk12.org. And it's going to give you this Cobb County School District login. I'm just going to use someone from our class. Right, so now that we're in this student profile, you can see all the classes the student is logged in, and if you are in Miss Bourne's 4th grade class, these are all the classes you should see as well. So every single day you're going to start in homeroom, and this is where I'm going to be putting like brand new information because this is like our general meeting place. The subject areas are going to be specific to subject, but homeroom is where I'm going to give announcements about signups, about Zoom links for any other special events, uploads of common agreements. I have a homeroom digital classroom in terms of Bitmoji, all of that. There are also assignments in homeroom, and those are going to be like big whole class projects. So things that aren't necessarily linked to what we're learning in our content area, but are going to help us get to know each other. And I think that's really important. Anyways, for morning meeting, you're in homeroom. So every day, 8 o'clock, you go to homeroom first, then digital sessions. And there's morning meeting. You can see that I'm live. If you're doing conferences this week or at any point throughout the year, just like get to know you conferences or even parent conferences, those will be under conferences. There are some projects for this week, like the 5 things about me. A lot of students have started that. And then your name is a song, which we are starting today, and it will be due Friday. That's a morning meeting project. All right, so you can go back to home. That's homeroom. To go back to all the classes, you can hit My Classes at the top, and boom, there you are. It's the same for every class. I mean, ELA is going to be specifically reading and writing. I do have a Bitmoji classroom for that too. If you need the book we're going to be reading, you can click ban this book, and it will take you to a purchase site on Amazon. I have digital sessions in ELA as well. So when we go to our ELA time, you would click here. And there are also assignments for this week here. All right, we go back to home, My Classes. We will be working in math this week, another Bitmoji classroom. There's a digital session for math. And there's a small group for when we get into that. And then there are assignments, of course. You can see the due dates there for when those are going to be turned in, okay? All right, we will start working in social studies later this week. There are digital sessions there for social studies. There is one assignment later this week. We're gonna go do a virtual field trip project. But a lot of the stuff this week is asynchronous, meaning you'd be doing it on your own. You don't need to ask your teacher a lot about how to start those tasks. Everything you need is in the post. And then I have everything on my blog. So if you go to www.cobblearning.net/kborn, that's my blog. And I'm just housing things there just to assist. You know, if you struggle to get into CTLS Learn and you don't have the links, they are here on my blog, which is accessible on any device, but we need to be working in CTLS Learn mostly. That's the goal. Okay, thank you.